Is it time to buy or sell Power Solutions International stock? In this video, we will explore Power Solutions International in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August in the year 2025. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You definitely don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has classified Power Solutions International as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.73. Let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable increase of 216.36% since we initially advised purchasing Power Solutions International 63 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.43% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 223.62% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 223.62% and 265.99%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a 118.62% projected change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 10.74% to 136.03% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $78.36 and $207.21. Our latest daily update for Power Solutions International includes the headline: Power Solutions International Inc. stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The Power Solutions International Inc. stock price fell by 3.51% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, from $90.98 to $87.79. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.39%, with a low of $84.20 and a high of $92.11. The price has been volatile during this period, and there has been a loss of 1.93% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 122,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 538,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $47,240,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $100.99, while the lowest price was $10.20. Currently, the price is 13.07%, or $13.20, below the 52-week high of $100.99, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Power Solutions International, or PSIX, has announced record financial results for the second quarter of 2025, with sales reaching $191,900,000, an increase of 74% year-over-year. Net income soared to $51,200,000, a remarkable rise of 138%, resulting in a diluted earnings per share of $2.22. This strong performance is attributed to their transformed focus on data center power solutions, which is driving substantial growth in revenue and profitability, supported by a significant reduction in debt by $15 million. This quarter's results eliminate concerns over the company's financial viability, offering a positive outlook as PSIX moves forward. Analysts project that the company will maintain a compound annual growth rate of 36% through 2026. Enhancing its position in the rapidly expanding data center sector. Furthermore, the stock remains undervalued, with a forward price-to-earnings growth ratio of 0.68, indicating significant upside potential. Currently trading at around $120, the anticipated benefits from its market position could lead to upward pressure on the stock price in both the short and long term. as PSIX plans to join major indexes like the Russell 3000 and Russell 2000. Inclusion may attract more institutional investors, further bolstering stock performance. In summary, investors might see a robust increase in PSIX's stock value, driven by strong financials, market positioning, and favorable growth projections. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned PSIX a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum also assigned PSIX a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Power Solutions International stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed a strong sell. For return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Power Solutions International. The Power Solutions International Incorporated stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $89.93. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is likely to find support from the long-term average at about $77.90. An upward breakthrough of the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a downward breach of the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. There have also been some negative signals, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 6.36%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently being generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, the volume increased even as prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 313 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 74 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Power Solutions International. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $83.31 and $73.57. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Power Solutions International Inc. finds support just below today's level at $83.31. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $73.57 and $66.74. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $7.91 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.39%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Power Solutions International, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, frequently observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 87 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Power Solutions International. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Power Solutions International is at $87.84. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Power Solutions International encounters its first support level at $83.31. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Power Solutions International from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On July 24, 2025, Shea Courtney C. conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On July 18, 2025, Zykas Konstantin conducted an insider purchase of 14,996 shares of common stock. On July 18, 2025, Zykas Konstantin conducted an insider sale of 14,996 shares of common stock. On July 18, 2025, Zykas Konstantin conducted an insider sale of 14,996 shares of stock appreciation rights. On June 11, 2025, Zykas Konstantin conducted an insider purchase of 35,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 70.890. Overall, insiders purchased 300,851 shares and sold 1,411,661 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $83.43, which represents a decline of 4.97%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicating a pivot top that was identified 5 days ago. Is Power Solutions International stock a good buy? Power Solutions International Incorporated holds several negative signals, indicating it may be a sell candidate. However, due to the potential for a turnaround, it should instead be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that one should hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold since the last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we anticipate that Power Solutions International will open higher by approximately 24 cents and start trading at $88.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.